was brought up within a motorsport family. My dad, my granddad, they both raced. So rallying for me began as far back as I can remember. There's actually pictures of me sat in rally cars before I could even walk. When I'd go to rallies with my dad, I'll never forget seeing the car almost flying through the forest. The noise, the speed, the smell. Once you've experienced it, it's addictive. I started out go-karting, but my dream was always to become a rally driver. So I sold my car to fund my first rally car, a 1 litre Nissan Micra. I was just 11 then. I spent weeks preparing for a race, getting my car in the best shape, watching hours of video with my co-driver, and working hard to get the pace notes just right. But nothing beats that feeling when you pull out onto the stage for the start of a race for real, doing 100 miles an hour. The adrenaline rush is out of this world. When I'm in the car, in that zone, and it's just me and the stage, nothing else matters other than that corner in front of me. Racing in the forest, the car does get really dirty. So when it's finished, I clean everything down and strip and check all the mechanical parts. The brakes, the gearbox, and clean the suspension, the air filter, all with WD-40. Rallying is in my DNA. The thrill, the blind corners, the sense of the unknown. It's knowing that I've done everything the best I can ahead of the race. I want to be the best. I want to win. And to do that, I have to have trust in my team, my car, and know the products I use will help to get the job done. For me, I don't just race. I live life hands-on, and winning never gets boring.